Well, there's no pleasing some people. Just kidding. Okay, I'll see what I can do. Since you made the lock, I might as well give it a try. So, this is picking the same challenge lock in a very, very awkward upside down. I know it's the right way up, but still it's not the way I'm used to doing it. So that means it's awkward. But let's try it anyway. Can't even find the pins. Okay, my finger is in the way, so my finger is pushing on the tension wrench, and then it feels like I'm getting counter rotation. There you go. Are you happy now, my friend? It's picked the right way up or the wrong way up, depending on how you see it. Okay, cheers, bye.